Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the date cell or range you want to change. Since Excel stores dates as serial numbers, make sure you saved a copy so raw data is preserved. Once the cells are highlighted, open the Number Format dropdown on the Home tab to inspect current settings, because knowing the existing format tells you whether you must convert text to date or simply reapply a format. Make sure to note locale differences, day/month versus month/day, before proceeding. Now convert any text that looks like a date into real dates. You can use text to columns with delimited finish, or wrap values with date value, then copy-paste as values. Once they're valid dates, press Ctrl+1 to open format cells and choose date or custom to set the display like YIMMDD or DD/MM/EI. For regional differences, change the locale, location, in the same dialog so month and day map correctly. This ensures both storage and display are correct. Finish by applying any batch adjustments. Add days with equals A1+1 or months with equals ed8, A11, then fill down. Once done, use Format Painter to copy the date format across sheets so everything looks consistent. If some cells still display oddly, make sure they're true dates and not text, and verify the locale in format cells. Locale mismatches often cause swapped day and month. If problems persist, convert one cell to a serial number to inspect the underlying value.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.